motor sailing due north on our way to Wells. The engine's turned in for a shut-eye. I won't blame her for that either. You can just see in the distance, it's starting to get light. This must be one of the reasons why sea sailing really appeals to me so much. The beauty of the sunrise, all on your own in the sea. And to the back, that's just pure gold, isn't it, coming up this morning? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, there we go. Let's keep in the morning. Enjoying a bit of upwind sailing. So if you're into me, myself and I, well, what a better place to do some meditation. I don't meditate, I just think about stuff. God, that's lovely. Look, there are no boats. How's it going? Good. Wells next to sea, just on time. So the harbour mace has come out in his launch to pick us up. It's quite a tricky little entrance, this, and probably have learned in terms of the camera around, should probably show a nice shot of the launch in front of us guiding us in. So let's see what happens now. Wells next to sea, low water. Spectacular. And the sea's out there. We sailed through that very narrow channel there on the right. Of course not at low tide. At this time of day, this busy little town of Wells is quiet, and all you can hear are the birds. Lovely. I think I'll go back to bed now. National Coast Watch Institute at Wells. These guys are volunteers 24/7. They scan everything happening out at sea, comings and goings, and they inform the Coast Guard if they see anything untoward. So it was rather nice having a chat with them.
9 degrees or so?
Funny to think we'll be sailing through here tomorrow morning at high water. Certainly now, I don't think there's much water, because this is all covered at high water, where we are now. Just looking at all these beach huts, it's funny to see that they haven't really made the decision how high the stilts should be to build them on. So it's a lovely mix of heights and colours, of course, here on Wells Beach. In the distance you can see they're dredging that channel, and they keep dredging this channel at the entrance to Wells all the year round to keep the harbour accessible.